Hello and welcome to the new unboxing and review of the BJ D30 30-liter drawer style car fridge and freezer. In this video, I'm going to unbox this unit, take a look at the functionality of the control panel, and here is the overall look and feel at the back of my Jeep Wrangler 4xe. As you can see, they got a box beside. And full disclaimer, this is not a sponsor video. I bought this unit from my own pocket, and we are going to use it for our overlanding and off-roading trip. I'll keep you posted about the overall functionality of this device, how it's cooling function, how's the power drain from the Jeep. And for now, let's begin. Today I'm going to unbox the car fridge BJ model D30 30-liter drawer form factor car fridge. So let's begin. First of all, just cut the stuff. Let's see what we got here. Okay, the very first impression, this is a box, this is a fridge. I'm not sure, this is, you can see this is a faded plastic. Underneath the compressor got some scratches, and the plastic bag is not fully wrapped. So I'm not sure. I already contacted the seller to make sure that is this a brand new or they coming in the same condition. So let's see what we got here. Inside box broken. Got the 4 different divider. I think only need 2 of them. I'm not sure why they add this extra one here. These are how it looks like. Let me see if you can see this. Yeah, we got 2 extra. Let's see what's inside the box. We got the normal connections, as well as adapter, AC adapter. There's some user manual, model D30, DC drawer refrigerator, and I can use this connector for the back of the Jeep. Here we go. So it seems we got a fridge, we got a front runner box, and we got a water here. That's I need to think about something slimmer maybe, or put it on a roof rack for a longer trip. Okay, so I'm going to use the standard 12-volt connector. It's back of the Jeep. We got an outlet here. That's nice advantage. Okay, connected back. Okay, here we go. I'll just connect it to the standard 12-volt outlet here, and just got a BJ fridge. It's got a nice light. Turn on. Here is for the temperature. Plus minus, so we're showing the current temperature. Okay, I think 4 degrees should be okay. Some setting I'll check later on the manual, see that what we got here. 22 degree, and we set on the 4 degree. So let's these things cool down, and it's time for close the Jeep door. Very well. Okay, so let's take a look at the details of the control panel here. We got on and off button. We got a plus minus for temperature check. This can change the unit for Celsius to Fahrenheit. The default is come with the Celsius here, so I go with the +4 because usually that 5 degrees is good for drinks, and that range is for wine, like a 10 degrees centigrade is good enough. But still can go as a freezer mode. You can go minus and put other stuff like meat inside, so make sure that your food is not spoiled while you're traveling. Also, there are 3 different battery protection mode. The default is set to the HH, which is indicated for H, and there are other modes like a medium as well as low, but usually based on the user manual of this fridge, is recommended to put as a default with the H when it's connected to the car, because the cut-in voltage for this unit is 12.4 volt, and it's cut out when it's 11.1 volt. But when you want to connect this unit to the other external batteries like Jackery or those other portable battery. You can set um, level to the L or M. Those can be up to the 9 volt. So just to avoid drain your battery. Yes, very simple unit. Let me open it up. See, that's a nice light inside. It's already getting cold. Dividers, nicely, 2 divider can work here. And the latch is good, no shaking, nothing. I saw other review on YouTube that they're shaking. It looks good. I contact the person who sold me this and asking about these faded faces. To me, it seems that like a manufacturer QC. I'm not sure, but I most likely keep this unit. Even um, he told me that you want to bring it up and switch it, change it for me. I think this is good. At the end of the day, this is for camping and overlanding. So yeah, we'll be expecting to see lots of scratch, and it's just having some. That's okay. Very well. Okay, I'll come back with more results. See that if this is the worth of buying or not.